Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing some exclusive DHGate coupon codes to help you save big on your next purchase. So stay tuned. DHGate is a great platform for everything from electronics to fashion, and using these codes will make it even easier. Here are some of the best DH coupon codes right now. Here you can see one of the coupon codes, it's showing me right now. Also you can find coupon codes from here. You can see that $30 new buyer coupon code, just claim it and we'll get plenty of coupon codes from here. So that's it. You can get up to 70% off on select items. If you're shopping on DHGate, don't forget to use these codes to maximize your savings. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. See you in the next video.